Today we're in New Zealand at the Zorb,
in Rotorua, North Island.
ready to get in the Zorb. Almost ready to go down. You excited?
Yeah, pretty excited.
How was that?
So good, so fun, so fast.
How was your first experience in the Zorb?
So fun, it went so fast. The water was warm in it as well, so I was worried that it would be cold, but yeah, it was good fun.
Just a couple more minutes and I'll be hitting the Zorb. It's race time! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Really fun. Yeah. First run in the Zorb is complete. Was it?
That was a lot better, you go really quick on the straight one. That was good.
Overall, the Zorb experience was amazing, had lots of fun. We had 2 separate runs each and incredible experience.